Hello students, I am Pushpraj Gupta, Assistant Professor of Basic Science Department from Oriental College of Technology, Bhopal. I am going to present a presentation on topic Change the order of integration part 2. Question first, evaluate integration 0 to infinity integration x to infinity to the power minus y upon y dx dy by changing the order of integration. Solution. Here the region of integration is bounded by the limits straight line x equal to 0, that is y axis, straight line x equal to infinity, that is the line parallel to y axis, straight line y equal to x, that is the line passes through the origin and makes an angle 45 degree from x axis, and y equal to infinity, that is the line parallel to x axis. This is the graph of following limits. Taking the strip parallel to x-axis, then x varies from 0 to y and y varies from 0 to infinity. That is, x lies between 0 to y and y lies between 0 to infinity. Hence, after the changing the order of integration, the integral becomes integration 0 to infinity, integration 0 to y to the power minus y upon y dy dx. Here first we have to integrate with respect to x, and e to the power minus y upon y will be constant here. Then integration of 1 is x, and after taking limits we have integration 0 to infinity to the power minus y upon y dy. Y will be cancelled here, and then integration of e to the power minus y is minus e to the power minus y, and answer will be 1. Next question, evaluate integration y equal to 0 to a integration x equal to y to a x upon x square plus y square dx dy by changing the order of integration. The region of given integral is made of the following limits. Y equal to 0, y equal to a, x equal to y, and x equal to a. It is clear that the region of integration is OAB. For changing the order of integration, we draw the strip parallel to y-axis. Thus, the new limits of integration becomes y varies from y equal to 0 to y equal to x, and x varies from x equal to 0 to a. That is, y lies between 0 to x and x lies between 0 to a. Thus, the integral becomes integration x equal to 0 to a y equal to 0 to x upon x square plus y square dx dy. Here apply the integration formula. Integration 1 upon a square plus x square dx equal to 1 upon a tan inverse x by a. So here first we have to integrate with respect to y, that is integration of 1 upon x square plus y square is 1 upon x tan inverse y upon x. After taking limits of y, we have tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse 0. Tan inverse 1 is pi by 4. That is, integral becomes pi by 4 0 to a 1 dx. And after integration 1, we have x, and apply limits, we have answer a pi by 4. Come to next question. Change the order of integration in the following integrals. Integrate 0 to a, integrate x square by a to 2a minus x fx by dx dy. The region of integration is bounded by the following curves: y equal to x square upon a, that is parabola; y equal to 2a minus x, that is straight line, intercept 2a from both axes. After solving these two equations, we have x equal to a and x equal to minus 2a. The required intersection point a comma a to a comma 4a. The region of integration is bounded OABMO. We draw the line AM parallel to x-axis, which divide the region in two parts, OMA and MBA. In region OMAO, the limits of region x varies from x equal to 0 to x equal to under root a y varies from y equal to 0 to y equal to a, and the integral becomes I1 equal to integration 0 to a integration 0 to under root a by fxy dy dx. In region MABA, the limits of region x varies from x equal to 0 to x equal to 2a minus y, and y varies from y equal to a to y equal to 2a, and the integral becomes I2 equal to integration a to 2a and integration 0 to 2a minus y fxy dy dx. Hence the changing the order of integration of the given integral becomes I1 plus I2. Improve yourself. This is the question. You have to solve this. Thank you students for listening this lecture.